Hello guys, I'm going to introduce you to our GYTS fiber optics. This is an outside fiber cables. This fiber has been built with the cable core to protect it with jelly to prevent any water intrusion. As you can see, it's very strong. You can put it outside. Even if there's any rain, it will be impossible for the cable to be damaged. And this cable is like 2 to 388 fibers inside of it. It's a loose tube gel feed. As you can see, is construction for superior fiber protection, corrugated steel tape armor of protect. And it's very useful for an outside connection. Thank you very much.